Hi, my name is Ryan Pinto, and I'm making this video for SCR 423 to demonstrate the functionality of my iOS app. We use the PlaceJSON RPC server for both Android and iOS, so we'll go ahead and fire up the server. Then we can open up our app. You can see it has not been modified since November 29th, its due date. We're in Xcode 10.1 here, and we're going to be running this on the iPhone 8. You see there are no build errors. You do get a couple build warnings, but that's okay. Just give it a second to boot up. And we can see here that the app is indeed talking to the server. Basically, if you click on a place, you do see all of the details that are requested in assignment 1. You can then go back. Editing functionality was removed as per discussions in the course Slack website, but you can get the details. You can go back. You can add a new one. We will add Disneyland, for example. Just going to make up some values for this. And you can save. You can see it's talking to the server and adding it to the server. You can see Disneyland gets added. You can shut down the simulator. And you can boot it back up. And you'll see that Disneyland is still in the list. There it is. You can also delete stuff by hitting edit. We could delete Disneyland and say done, and then we're back. So pretty much all the functionality I believe exists. There are no runtime errors, and the app seems to work fine to me. The navigation from the second iOS works. You have 2 different scenes that it navigates between. So please take a look at this demonstration. I think the server proves the communication, and if you have any questions, please reach out to me. Thank you so much.